I'm so excited to share with you guys itong first ever event na pupuntahan ko kasi this event is about sa mga mommies na gustong mag-relax lang and most of them is from South. Itong event na to is from Hip Organics na kita ko lang sa Facebook and syempre excited ako. This is my first event as mommy. Ayun, na-excite ako. So, nag-join ako and different mommies yung makakalubilo ko dito. Different experiences yung makukuha ko dito. Kasi merong iba dito, first time moms din. And yung iba naman is meron ng kids na 2 to 3 ganyan. So, sobrang excited akong ma-experience yung experience nila, malaman ko yung experiences nila. And nandito na kami ngayon sa Vista Mall and may service nga pala silang provide sa amin. Kaya sobrang excited ako na ma-meet na sila in person. Sobrang excited ako talaga kasi first ever event ko. So, baka mamaya hindi na kasi ako makapag-vlog ng nagsasalita kasi continuous na lang yung mga clips na makukuha ko. Kaya this will be my intro for this vlog. And hopefully, ma-execute ko at mapakita ko sa inyo kung ano-ano mga ganap doon. So, yes, that's all for today. Bye! Hi guys, nandito na ako sa Monochrome sa Soledad, Santa Rosa. Nakikita nyo, sobrang daming mommies. Inaantay ko pa yung mga kasama ko. So, ayun o, Hip Organics. So, let's go! Reg Liana de los Ángeles. Nickname na lang. 3. D-R-E-A-M. Hello guys! So, ito na yung event and I'm so excited to share with you guys itong event na to. Hi po! Hi guys! Ito na, nandito na ako sa first event and then ayun na yung pinaka-stage nila. So, this is it. Inaantay ko lang yung ibang mamas. Napakasaya, napaka-overwhelming dito. Ang saya-saya nila. So, this is the product guys, yung Hip Organic. So, kung familiar na kayo at nakikita nyo sa Facebook yung ads nila, this is it. Ma-introduce ko sa inyo this day. I'm so excited! First time event ever. Tapos, meron silang pa-food there. Yan. Tapos, ito yung husband ko kasama. So, exciting. Antay ko lang yung mga group of mommies ko. So, yes. Let's go.
Go, mommy, mommy, go. Go, mommy, go. Go, mommy, go.
Mamadami tayo ng food guys. Kasi may buffet. Yo, it's done. Daddy. Daddy. Hi. Hanggang mamaya na yan. Ano masasabi ko sa event?
Wala.
Here, mga event nila. First ever experience ko na event. Ang saya-saya. Kasi yung mom group na sinalihan ko, sobrang accommodating nila. Kita nyo naman sa mga kids, diba? Mga kalog sila. Sobra-sobra. At yung food nila. So, sobrang memorable itong event na to. Kasi masusundan pa to ng mga iba't ibang event na jojoinan ko. And hopefully, marami pa this year. Yes. So, yeah, that's all. Maglalaro pa kami mamaya doon sa mga booth. Ang cute-cute ng booth nila, ang dami. Tapos may prizes. Yung una kong nakakuhang prize is coloring book. Pwede sa baby ko. Kaya, yun lang. Hindi pa nag-start yung event nila. Nagpa-flash pa lang ng mga clips about this product. So, yes. Later.
Sige, Mami, kung masakit na kayo, Mami, kuha tayo ng tinikang cup, titikman natin, then hulaan natin sino bibili.
Prevention of getting pregnant, prevention of that yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
This one.
Yung tamis.
Tamis masyado.
I'm here with an Ashley
Start na yung program, guys. So, let's see.
Hips on CMO.
Pamo!
Thank you for coming, Miss. Enjoy having you here. Now, can I get a show of hands? Who has been here?
Maybe instead of raising your hands, can you please see the moms? Can you?
Yes. There you go.
With my case, my for the long-term private nutrition.
Okay, I am a label detective. My God. Oh wow, this is a cool house. Good afternoon, everyone. Please bear with my voice this afternoon.
It's actually my father. So, ladies, allow me to introduce my father, also my brother, Mr. Edwin Weiss. And that's a topic that we will touch on a little bit later on because organic is not really well understood.
Tapos na yung event, guys. So, maglalaro na ako sa isa pang last game na. After this one, ayun, uwian na. So, ayan na yung tsura nung booth. Ayan na yung last minute game ng booth. Na hindi ko pa napupuntahan kasi the rest napuntahan ko na. Ano, dami ng stop. So, yes. Na-enjoy natin. Gamit ko pa yung group na pinuntahan ko. Ayun. See you later. So, that's for today, guys. Ayun na, tapos na yung event and we're going home sa service namin. Yun lang, guys. This is the end of this video.